everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got the March Lookfantastic Beauty Box to share with you, and if after watching this video you're interested in getting this box for yourself, as always you'll find details down below in my description, as well as a discount code which is my name, Diaryofabeautygeek, so that you're able to get your first box for £12 instead of £15. Inside contains 6 beauty products, and this month's box has a value of £84. If you take out a monthly rolling subscription you can cancel any month, but they also offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. So let's get on to showing you then what's inside. Now some of these items may look used, and that's because I filmed a reel for Instagram before I filmed this. I should have done it the other way around, but never mind. So you will receive full unopened bottles of products. First up we've got a shampoo. This is from Espa and this is a bergamot and jasmine. It cleanses without irritation, and it's a little mini, 75ml, and it's worth £5.60. It smells beautiful. I love Espa products. It just smells like a spa. Whenever I smell their products, I just imagine myself walking into a spa. It doesn't happen often, but I just love it. I love all the smells. So we've got a shampoo. Then we've got a sheet mask from Foreo, and there's no mask inside. I've taken the top off, but I've used it. Maybe to the side of the video I'll pop a little video of me trying it on. This is a Bulgarian Rose sheet mask. It's a hydrating sheet mask worth £6.99. I believe they come in packs of 5. If you've got the Foreo sheet mask device, then you can apply the mask, have a really good treatment all within 2 minutes. But if you don't have that device, it doesn't matter. You can still use it as a sheet mask. You just leave it on your skin for 20 minutes and then you remove and just massage the remaining serum in your skin. It's very rosy. I'm not keen on rosy scents, as you know, but when it comes to sheet masks, rose water is supposed to be absolutely amazing for your skin, and because it doesn't linger, it's not like a body lotion, so I don't mind that when it comes to rosy products. So we got a hydrating sheet mask there. Then we've got Rodial Dragon's Blood Sculpting Gel. It's 15ml here, it's a little mini and it is worth £27. It helps define facial contours and adds volume to sagging skin. So it's a serum you apply before your moisturiser. And then we've got a bit of a routine going on here. We've got a moisturiser. This is by Emma Hardy and this is the Midas Touch Revitalising Cream. It's hydrating, helps decrease the appearance of fine lines, helps to improve firmness and elasticity, helps tighten, smooth and lift. There's 30ml here. It contains hyaluronic acid and marine extracts and it is worth £34. This is a really nice cream. It's quite rich. It smells lovely, but it does blend nicely into the skin. It's not too heavy, but it's particularly great for more mature skin. But if you have dry skin, this would be really nice as well. So yeah, so we got a moisturiser there. We haven't seen a Dr. Lipp in a beauty box for a while, but this is a multi-purpose balm, but with a little bit of a difference because it's a tint. It's in shade Sweet Potato and it's for lips, cheeks, and you can use it on your eyelids as well. This is full size and it retails for £6.99. Just put a little bit there for you. Ooh! So you can see the colour. This is just a little hint of a tint there. But yeah, it's a really nice lip balm. I wouldn't personally use it on my cheeks or my eyes. I just find it a little bit too sticky. But you do what you want to do, don't you? But yeah, for lips, I think it's lovely. And then lastly, we've got something a little bit different. We don't usually see brushes in beauty boxes. And this is a pintail comb or a pintail brush. This is by Brushworks. It retails for £4.99. And it's great for sectioning the hair and back combing as well. Like in my little reel, I put my hair up in a ponytail and I left the top section out. I brought it forward and I back combed it, and then I just smoothed the hair into place and then pinned it. I've got very thin, fine hair, so a bit of back combing is great, especially for updos. Like I used to be a hairdresser, and one of my favourite things of being a hairdresser was doing updos, like doing wacky hairstyles or like wedding or prom hairstyles. And yeah, you always had a back combing comb because you just want the volume. It keeps hairstyles in place and it creates gives the illusion of thickness and fullness as well. I currently don't own one of these, so yeah, it's a handy thing to have. And there you go, those are all the products inside this month's Lookfantastic Beauty Box. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? I know last month some people didn't receive their perfume. I was one of them. I signed up for a subscription last month so that I could get the free mystery box for January, if that makes sense. So it rolled on to February, so I got the February box. My subscription box didn't receive the perfume. Customer service said that the perfume will be added into my March box. Well, because I received these boxes from Lookfantastic to create content with, there was no need for me to carry on subscribing, so I cancelled my subscription. So yeah, I didn't have a perfume, but that's okay because I did have one in my PR box anyway. Hopefully all of you lot that didn't have your perfume, you'll have it in your March box. But yeah, I'd love to know what you think of this one though. So take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.